Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
Start now, pick 3-5 colors and assign each a clear purpose so you don't waste time deciding later. You write a short heading on the top edge of each note. This makes retrieval faster. Next, set a 25-minute timer to create focus. This is how you train a study rhythm. Once done, place your first 5 notes into their labeled zones: title, summary, and question. Make sure to use a pen that won't bleed because clarity matters when you review. You now expand each sticky into a microcard: one idea, one source, one action. Use arrows to show relationships and number notes when steps matter. This helps your brain build chains. Once you have 10-15 notes, cluster them into themes and trim duplicates. Consolidation prevents overload. Make sure to build a questions stack that drives review sessions. This structure turns scattered facts into a study map, so you can follow a lot. Finish by reviewing each cluster. Spend 5 minutes per theme and decide which notes become part of your master set. You convert 3-5 highest value stickies into flashcards or one-page summaries for long-term retention. Once done, photograph the layout for digital backup. This preserves your work. If sticky notes lose adhesion, replace or tape edges, and if clusters feel messy, resort by priority. This final sweep locks learning in and gives you a reliable study routine for the next session.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.